A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's go coloring. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for antlers on top of a deer. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for banjo, it's loud and it's clear. C is for carrot. C is for car. C is for candle, with its flickering light. D is for duck. D is for door. D is for dreams, you have in the night. E is for elevator. E is for egg. E is for egg, the white and the yolk. F is for fish. F is for flag. F is so funny, when you tell a joke. G is for guitar. G is for glass. G is for games, you play every day. H is for hammer. H is for hat. H is for hair, and your grandpa's is gray. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q. Let's go coloring. I for Indian. I for igloo. I is for island, surrounded by sea. J for jam. J for juice. J is for jam, you eat with your tea. K for kangaroo. K for key. K for koala, he's cute and he's brown. L for ladder. L for leaf. L is for lamb, he's prancing around. M for monkey. M for mouse. M is for money, it's best if you save. N for nail. N for nose. N is for numbers, let's count some today. O for octopus. O for orange. O is for olive, it's green and it's black. P for paint. P for popcorn. P is for plates, that you dry in a rack. Q for question. Q for queen. Q is for question, when you don't know why. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. C. Let's go coloring. R for rake. R for radio. R is for rainbow, you see in the sky. S for saw. S for snake. S is for snacks, but don't eat too much. T for tree. T for train. T is for toes, they tickle when you touch. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U is for uncle, he's thin as a bean. V for vacuum. V for violin. V is for vacuum, that keeps the house clean. W for whale. W for watch. W's for wishes, you make every day. X axe, X fox. X is for xylophone, play it today. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht. Y is for you, now you know how it goes. C for zebra. C for zebra. C is for zipper, open and closed. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.